welcome to Nixies Notebooks. In today's video, we are going to be working on the bird journal again. My goal is to get this done by the end of August, so hopefully we'll have that video, or we'll have the journal complete by then. All right. Hello, welcome to Nixies Notebooks. I'm your host, and today we're going to be working on the bird journal, like I just said, but that's okay. So I am working on the signatures, still trying to complete the signatures. I keep moving pages around a little bit, but that's just the way it is. So I made this a while ago. I had a video for it and I deleted it twice and resaved it. I had to edit it, and it was a very hard video to edit because it was so long. And I was having problems with my phone holding that large amount of data on there. So unfortunately, I somehow deleted the video, which was never my intention to do. But anyways, this is a flip up. So we got the blue heron here, and we got the great blue heron here, and we have a razor cat. What are you doing, babies, huh? Yeah, I love you too. You're a good girl. Okay. All right, where are you gonna go? Why don't you go back over where you belong? Come on. Come on, Razor. No, you're gonna get off the table? All right, go ahead, come on. No, you're not playing with Mom's lights. Don't play with Mom's lights. Come on, come on. Don't. Oh, butt. Okay. There you go. Sorry about that. Cats. Love them. Okay, so, anyways, so we're gonna put this so it's like a flip up, and it'll flip up in the front. I'm going to put a piece of paper down here for journaling, just kind of a little hiding spot for journaling. And yeah, what we're going to concentrate, I'm not going to do that today, not this side of it. I'm going to concentrate on the inside of it right here, and where I'm going to put and glue this down. So I had some ideas about this. I have to make sure that none of this, because this will get caught up in the, when I go to bind the book, it'll get caught up against the cover and it won't work right. So we have to make sure that it has plenty of room to flip up. And I think that will be fine, just like that. So this is where we want it. Oops, and then of course I move it. That wasn't helpful at all, was it? Is that where I wanted it? Maybe a little bit more to this side. The problem is if the binding, if the signatures are too tight and against one another, like this is gonna right there. So I do have to move it over just a little bit more, just a smidgen. No, Ray, Razor, come on, Razor, come on, over here. Hey, Razor, go. Okay, hold on one second. Let me refocus this camera. Sorry about that. I'm going to try not to edit this video because I don't have the time right now. And I would like to get this done. So, alright, let's try this again. This is where I want it. So, there we go. And hold it open like that. Just like that. And I'm going to do a little line. It's not going to matter because this is going to get covered, and I'll show you in a minute. So I want to cover it with this. I should probably just glue this down just like this right now. I wish I could move over just a little bit more. Just so afraid that little piece is going to get caught. We're just going to have to not worry about it. Usually between the signatures there's enough room, so we're not going to worry about that right now. So let's glue this puppy down. Use glue stick, and I mean it's going to be secured further down, you'll see, but right now I'm just going to use glue stick. Okay. All right. So my plan is to use some of this. This actually, I can't find it anymore, but I got this on Temu, and it's Temu, maybe a Shein. Anyways, and you can write on it. It's like it's washi tape that you can write on, and I absolutely love it. And I kind of wish I could get it again. I don't think that's possible. At least I have not been able to find it. I'm doing this under the camera. Never heard scissors creak quite like that, but whatever. All right. There we go. And yes, I deliberately did that on an angle just to give it some character. So I'll probably put glue stick on this as well. We're gonna put this down, probably do it more right there. And then I have this, and my plan was, this is a little envelope. I was gonna decorate the envelope and then have it as a flip up, like right here. I really don't like the way that works. Yeah, flip over. You know what? I don't think I really want to do that. I'll put some washi tape up here to kind of hide some of that white up there. But I really kind of like it the way it is. All right, let's put some glue down. And you know what? I really don't think I need that much. Well, I don't think I really need washi tape there. I think that's actually going to stay very well on its own. Sorry, I thought there was a cat hair there, but there's not. Yay, no cat hair. All right, so that was actually really easy. I'll put something else on here to kind of give it a little bit of pizzazz because, you know, it looks kind of bare and bland. I'm going to cut this up just a tiny bit more, and then I'm going to use that down there. I kind of like that idea. I might brown the edges a little bit so that way it is a little bit darker. And I'm just looking for my cutting board because it's missing now, of course. No, there it is. Okay, so we're just going to cut this up a little bit. You probably can't see that, but yeah, I'm just gonna take off a little bit all around it. I'm not gonna worry too much about everything. Nixie, come on. They're driving me crazy today. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit. That might work. I'm not sold on that one either. Let's see, I had a few other things I had pulled out here. Let's see what else we got going on. I had where'd it go now? Like a piece of, oh, it's a sticker. All right. You know what? I'm gonna put that right there. I like that right there. So instead of doing the envelope here, I'll just do it on another page. There we go. Kind of like how that came out. It actually came out really good. You know what? While I'm at it then, I might as well just do the inside writing area for right now. Might as well get that done. Let me find a piece of paper that I can use to put, oops, no, over here. Oh, I forgot this had little. Sorry, I'm just ripping it. Too big, isn't it? It's not going to cover everything. There we go. We have a winner. All right, I'm going to ink up the edges because that needs to be done definitely. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place today. I don't know what I'm just kind of all over the place. And I went through about 10 minutes ago looking for something and I cleaned up my desk and now I can't find anything. This is awful. Okay. I'll just use gathered twigs. Something in here's got to be brown. That should work. There we go. That'll work just fine. Cat hair. Cats. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. They want their food. They're just gonna have to wait a little bit longer, okay, Nix? Color's gathered twigs. It's not as dark as the espresso, but I think it'll work well with this paper. I don't know if you can see the spattering of the silver paint I did on this one. Or is that the silver spray? I don't remember. All right, so there we go. That's the way I like that. Definitely, definitely. And put a little bird up here, maybe a bird flying down there. That's covered. Not overly fond of that one. All right, let's get this put down first. So I want to glue stick it down. Please say I did that right. Yes, I did. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I need to put something in here to kind of liven this area up a little bit. Nope, that's too far. Let's go in just a little bit. No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Gonna put some more color on this just to make it pop a little bit against the blue. I know you want food, babies. I know. It's not time yet. Hold on. Yeah. Good job. Yep, this happens every time I craft. Usually when I have glue open, which is usually so much fun. Yeah, I think I'll put that there. And then you know what? I have these. I'll put one of these. I like that idea. That is some good stuff there. Let's see if I can cut a straight line because I never, ever can. I think I might have done it the first time ever. You saw it here, folks. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so we're going to glue that down there. Glue stick. I'm going to even do it on the sticker. I do this a lot with stickers. Just kind of ink up the edges a little bit. Sometimes it helps them stand out a little bit. Put it on the professional way. There we go. Actually, I like that. That came out really cute looking. So there we go. That. Very pretty looking. And then that. So nice little flip up. And then on the inside, we have that. I don't think there's much I'm going to do with this page. I think I'm just going to kind of let the rest of the signature kind of talk for itself. Which is, you know, this stuff right here, which has a little tuck too. Lots of tucks, lots of places, lots of ephemera is going to be put into these. That can't go there. That's going to make things awkward. So these I sewed a long time ago, and when I first started using my sewing machine. Oh, got two of these in here. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put this in a different one, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. Just have to remember that. Okay. So there you go. That's what we did. That's mess. Yeah, there we go. Got some nice, pretty blue heron here. We've got a little bit about the heron up here. We've got a nice little place to write. We have this area over here, which is being which is a great writing little area. You can write a little bit of whatever. It's almost like a little grocery list. Remember those lists that these little tapes that people used to write down and write on them was like butcher lists or something. Anyways, so there you go. All right, one more part of the journal is done. We are going to get this done by August, I promise. All right, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. I know I don't tell you guys enough that if you hit it, like it, just touch it. That sounds awful. Gosh, that sounds awful. Don't just touch it, just push it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.